This Amazon fully equipped two-story expandable container house is a smart, space-saving solution for families looking for comfort and flexibility. Measuring 228 inches long, 108 inches wide, and 86 inches high, it offers a surprisingly roomy interior packed into a sleek 20-foot design. The layout includes two cozy bedrooms, a welcoming living room, a functional kitchen, and a separate bathroom with wet and dry zones. Perfect for everyday living. Inside, the house feels bright and open thanks to large windows that let in plenty of natural light. There's a smaller window in the shower room and a glass door leading to the bathroom, adding a touch of style. The bathroom comes fully stocked with a toilet, sink, mirror, water heater, cabinets, and a private shower area. The kitchen is ready to go with cabinets, a sink, and hot and cold water lines. Built with durability in mind, the structure features double-glazed PVC sliding windows and secure aluminum doors. The steel frame is strong and reliable, while the insulated walls and roof help keep the temperature comfortable and noise levels low. It's designed to handle tough conditions, fire-rated Class A, wind-resistant up to level 11, and earthquake-resistant up to level 9. It's also waterproof and typhoon-resistant, making it suitable for a wide range of climates. The house can be customized to fit different needs with options for 1 to 4 bedrooms. Installation is quick and easy, saving time and labor costs. Whether placed in a city or a remote area, it works well as a temporary setup or a long-term home. Just one thing to keep in mind: during heavy snowfall, the roof should be cleared regularly and snow shouldn't pile up higher than 6.6 feet. For more info, check the link in the description and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.